What's up, world? So right now, back in action on Vanwilder. Uh, I've gotten not a lot, just a little bit at a time. With me working 6 days a week now, so pretty much my only day off is Sunday and a little bit of Saturday. But Saturdays I usually try to work around the house, clean, whatever, yada yada yada. Sundays is vehicle therapy for me. But if you follow my Instagram account, you know that pretty much got the engine ready for removal and the transmission. I'm only going to do the transmission today because I don't have an engine hoist yet. So I'm going to have to borrow one, but at least I could pull the transmission out and uh, see what's going on with the clutch. And hopefully damage ain't too bad, but we shall see. I get distracted easily with my boys. Hemi, get out of there. Oh boy. So, like I said, let's get cracking on this, and I'm gonna get started on it. Yeah. Let's see how the fuck I'm gonna get it without a hammer. Check out my shaft. And now, time to remove the transmission. All right. Great. No way. No. There we go. All right. Woo. All right. Yeah, a little dirty, but clutch has definitely seen better days. And yeah, well, all right. All right, let's finish the shoot. 1/16. Emily, por favor. Emily, quiet, please. You can't win. All right. Ooh, that flower was fucking burnt. Damn. There it is. That's the failure. Yep. All right. So, on a couple of test drives I have had, the clutch was slipping. And I was like, what the fuck? That's why I'm tearing apart everything. So, found a reason. Looks like a hot bushing. This is what's left of it. So, that's it, looking bearing. I guess putting everything more bolts back so I don't get displaced. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, finding all this shit wrong with the van, honestly, I'm not even pissed. This gives me the opportunity to start fresh, So, it's cool. Alright, out of the way. And let's go examine this shit. Alright, you can see. It's a pilot bearing. Not supposed to be like that, but. What up? So, got the transmission out of Vanwilder now, so as you can see, clutch is not too bad, or the pressure plate at least. The clutch disc, on the other hand, pretty worn. Not too bad, but I already found the issue. Is it looks like the pilot bearing gave out, and causing oil to leak through onto the clutch and flywheel, causing it to slip. So it is what it is. Cool. Like I said, I'm not pissed. It's just giving me an opportunity to make Vanwilder better. I've been teasing the idea of a four-wheel drive conversion, and at the same time looking at all that real estate inside the engine bay. Thinking about going back to my old school roots and go drag racing. So, and surprise some people at the strip, because I literally live 6 miles, 7 miles away from the drag strip. So it's only an 1/8 mile drag strip though, but still you can have some fun. So I don't know, what you think? Full drive conversion, fit some 33s or 35s, or fit some 275 60 15s in the back. Because the back is already stripped out. You know, I gutted everything out, gave the interior to somebody else. I don't know, man. Fucking too many ideas rolling in my head for this van. So, we'll see. We'll see. But got the transmission removed, and going to disassemble that and check the gears on the inside. It shifts great. I do gotta find someone, or if there's already an off-the-shelf part available that I can use, to get some new shifter bushings. I heard the MR2 shifter bushings fit. I don't know, never tried it. And at the same time too, still just look at all that real estate. Look at all that real estate for a nice sized turbo right here. Forward facing intake manifold right there. I don't know, man. So many ideas. So many fucking ideas. But we are going to get Vanwilder back on the road. Yeah, yo.